Hello everyone, today I'm going to pick this book to read, Sophie's Big Beep Beep Book, written by Sirett, designed by Charlotte Jennings and Helen Sr. One sunny morning, Sophie looks out of her bedroom window. "It's a perfect day for a walk," she says, smiling. "I'll tell my little friends." But before Sophie can find her friends, she hears a beep, 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 boom. What's making that noise? Let's find out. Maybe this? It's not the spotty ladybird. Here's the spotty ladybird. Here's, we'll see. It's not the pull-along elephant. No, it's not. What makes the sound? Let's find out. Let's open this. Maybe this one. Are you ready? Let's open. Oh, here we go. It's a toy racing car. Sophie's friend, Gavin, is driving it. "Can I go out and race my car?" she asks. Sophie goes to the living room to look for her friends, Kiwi and Margot. "Come along, little ones," she says. "We're going for a walk." But suddenly, Sophie hears a loud woo, woo. What's making that noise? What do you think? Let's find out. Let's open this. It's not the cuckoo clock. Here's the cuckoo clock. It's not making noise. Let's find out another one. It's not the toy rabbit. No making sound. Here we go. You think it's this one? Let's open. Let's open now. Are you ready? Here we go. It is this one. It's Kiwi and Margot's fire engine. "Can we ride this?" the two friends ask. In the kitchen, Sophie calls out to her friend Lazar. "We're going for a walk in the park. Are you ready?" But then Sophie hears a broom. Honk, honk. What's that? What do you think is that sound? Let's find out. Maybe it's in here. Let's open. It's not the butterfly cupcakes. It's not. It's not making sound. Yes, it is. Not making sound. Let's find out another one. Let's open this. Oh no, what is this? It's not the chicken kitchen timer. No, it's not. Not making sound then. Let's find out. Let's open this. You think it's this one now? Are you ready? Let's open. There you go. This one is making sound. It's Lazar's noisy truck. "Can I go driving in my truck?" asked Lazar. Sophie looks for her last little friend, Josephine, in the garden. "Are you there, Josephine?" she says. "It's a lovely day for a walk." But what's that? Sophie hears a chug 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 sound. What do you think is that? Do you have any idea? Let's find out. Maybe here, this cloud? It's not the little birds. Not making sound then. Did you hear anything? No. Okay, here we go. Let's find out. It's not the slow snail. No, it's not making sound. Then where? Let's find out. Maybe this one. Are you ready? Let's open it. Oh, it's here. What is in here? It's Josephine's noisy tractor. Can I drive this? She asked. Outside the house, Sophie's friends are all ready to go. They can't wait to set off in their noisy vehicles. But where's Sophie? Broom, beep, chug, chug. Oh. Where's Sophie? Do you know where is she? Let's find out. Maybe inside the house, or maybe inside this gate. Are you ready? I will open it now. Here we go. Broop, broop. There she is in her noisy car. I guess we're not going for a walk, laughed Sophie. We're all going for a drive instead. Beep, beep, broom, broom. The end. Do you like it? I love it too.